We are at Volcano Bay. So excited, I've never been here before. And I'm such a beachy girl. And I love Adventure Island. It's a water park. Never been before and I'm so excited. We literally got here at noon, and in 2 hours we literally did everything. The lazy river, the wave pool, all the slides we wanted, and even that really long lined roller coaster one. And so we went ahead and put it in for another. The wait time is 1 hour and 30. I meant 130 minutes. I am starving. It's like a taco bar situation, and I'm like, I kind of want tacos. Oh, I did it right before I fixed my hair. Yes! That face. Why? Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I love it. Everything closed down. Like, we can't do the rides if there's 5 miles of lightning. That's true. So we're gonna shower and go to Universal. At least try it. Rained out there. I can't wait.
Let's do it.
Won't stop, can't stop. Can't stop, won't stop.
Do it, do it, do it.
I'm not stopping. Okay.
Here I am, waiting on hold. Proof. I work when I'm on vacation, y'all. I never stop working for you.
Never stop, won't stop.
Stop, won't stop.
But yes, we just came back from the water park. We quickly changed the OTD. And we're gonna head to, can you guess? Universal Studios. We haven't been to Universal Studios yet. I don't know where to go. So I haven't been to Universal Studios yet. We went to Islands of Adventure yesterday, then Volcano Bay today, and now we're gonna go to Universal. Yeah. It is gonna rain in an hour, so here's to
getting poured on
and hopefully still able to ride the rides. I was crackheady and wanted a...
It's a true issue, my dear.
It is so addicting. That new chocolate almond milk shaken espresso is no joke. It is so good. This is my second one today.
Yeah, and probably won't be your last.
$7 here.
It will. It'll be her last.
I've never spent that much. I've never spent that much on coffee. I refuse to spend that much on coffee.
Until today. And about a week ago or something. I don't know.
No, it's because of the hotel. It's like 3 something outside.
Oh my god.
Yeah, everything's expensive here.
Wow.
That's the one thing. They double their prices at the resort.
That makes sense though.
Gotta get their money somehow, because
they're probably paying up the booty.
Everything else is cheap. To be here, actually, it's only $80. Then they get their money with the Starbucks and the food and the
1, 2, 3.
Right, that yellow building.
Yeah.
That's where Nickelodeon used to have, like, you know, All That, the Amanda Show. Everything was filmed right there in that building. They let me in with my Starbucks. So, fun fact. It was a 90% chance gonna rain, so they closed down the water park we were at. So we went back to the hotel, got changed. Within the hour, came to Universal because we knew a lot of the rides were indoors. So we're gonna try and
Check the sun. That's all I gotta say.
no rain. We checked the weather, maybe 30% chance. That's Florida.
Florida.
Can I help it if I dream of you every night? Dream of you. Can I help it if I dream of you? If I dream of you, dream of you. Can I help it if I dream of you every night? I know I dream of you. Can I help it if I dream of you every night? I love you, 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 I love you
So cool. Oh, nice. I know. I'm like, what are we gonna do? That is, I forgot how cool this is. It's like the actual train.
Yeah.
Like you have your own
so
private
cool.
cabin and everything.
Yeah. No, that's why I said this is.
Transfiguration is not in
Cheers.
That was brilliant. Dementors on the Hogwarts Express. Foul, miserable creature.
Day 2 complete. We just did Universal and Islands of Adventure.
After doing Volcano Bay.
After doing Volcano
3
Bay.
parks one day.
That is impressive. It's only been 2 days out of the 4, and it's been great.
And we're getting a lot done.
Alrighty, it is day 3. Let's go.
Yummy. Yeah, so it's got butterscotch flavor to it. It's good. It's delicious. It's my first time having it. Good shark.
But I do thank you for stopping by. Have a wonderful day on a Jurassic World, and remember, hello, how are we doing today?
On board, standing down toward the middle of the road. Be sure to glasses and other loose items improperly secured may be lost.
We waited, so an unexpected rainstorm happened that turned this 70-minute ride into a 2-hour wait.
But we were protected from the rain and not around a bunch of people because everyone dipped.
And our line got up quicker, and now we're front row by ourselves. I'm so excited. We're getting on. See you guys when we're soaking wet. We went down in the front row, and the water went right into our faces, more than anything. Cold sweat? Oh, it's too late. I couldn't do it in time. So remember the other ride? Yeah, even more soaked. My entire outfit is soaked from that ride. Oh my god. Ooh, popcorn. Yeah, the drink. So, we're about to watch some show. It's at 7 o'clock and it's 6:55 and Rachel's at it right now. I went off to go to the bathroom, but right before I went back, because we still had 5 minutes to kill, I'm going to go get butterbeer right now in this little cute little pub. And I'm going to get the warm one since it's perfect because we're both freezing since we're rained on and we're soaking wet. So I'm excited to surprise her with a warm butterbeer. It's the warm. I haven't tried it yet. I don't even remember what it tastes like. I was like, oh, might as well try it. We're kind of cold.
Oh my goodness.
It's good.
So yummy. So yummy. See if we go do the other one.
Oh, that's so good.